Okay, wait, one more.
Oh my gosh,
I'd move back.